In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off activity status on Instagram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to hide that active now and last seen indicator so you can browse more privately. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen where you see your feed with posts from people you follow. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account, then wait for the home feed to load. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled More. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or the word More, depending on the version you're using. Click on that. It will open a side menu with a list of extra options and settings related to your account. From this menu, you'll want to go into your account settings. Look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where Instagram keeps most of the controls for privacy, notifications, and how your account behaves. Anytime you want to adjust something about your experience, this is generally where you'll come. Inside Settings, you'll see quite a few categories. To make things quicker, use the search bar at the top of the settings page. Click into the search field and type the word activity. As you type, Instagram will filter the settings and show any options related to that keyword. This is much faster than scrolling through everything manually. From the list of results, find and click on Show Activity Status. This is the specific setting that controls whether other people can see when you were last active on Instagram or if you're currently active. Opening this option will take you to a dedicated page with a short explanation and a toggle switch. On the Show Activity Status page, you'll see that toggle right next to the setting name. If the toggle is highlighted or appears to be on, it means your activity status is currently visible to others. To turn it off, simply click on the toggle so it switches to the off position. Once it's off, your followers and people you message won't be able to see when you're active or when you were last online. That's all you need to do. You can now back out of the settings and continue using Instagram, knowing your activity status is no longer being shared.